Alright, welcome back to another episode of how much money I spent on car parts, and I still don't have a running car. Alright, first things first this morning, let's rebuild the steering rack. Got these nice little UMI bump steer kick, just because I lowered the car, don't want no issues, but yeah. Like these threads are weird. Rain forecasted for the day, so hopefully we get most of this done before it actually starts pissing out here. I mean, I don't mind getting wet. That's what she said, or he said, I guess. Oh, shit. I probably should have bolted this bump steer kit on afterwards. Ooh. Sorry about all the grunts and moans. This eye alarm was a bitch to get on. Like butter. Grab the camera. So yeah. It's all bolted on if you can see it. Right here. Just lighting you guys up a little bit. So yeah. That's on. Bump steer kit. I just need a bolt to the spindle. I'll be right here. Hard to film underneath a car like this, especially when you only got 2 hands. Yeah, looks like we got steering. Moment of truth. Oh shit, the wheels turn. Hell yeah. I just need to tighten this shit up, but yeah. Let's see if both wheels turn. Alright, let's see. Don't judge me on my pink carpet. Shut up. Alright, next on my vast list of things to do and not enough time is take care of the interior. We did get carpet for this, so I'm trying to get the old stuff out and install a new one. And yes, those are seat rails, so I'll show you the seats right now. Alright, just a little status update. Got some of the carpet out in the driver area, and the rear seats. A little tricky to figure out, but I got it done. I like this way better. Yeah, that hurt. Forgot that was laying in that seat. That hit in the ankle. Oh, son of a bitch. Alright. Where's this piece of shit going? So here's everything all stripped out. Got a little rust right there. All the carpet's out and the seats. So gotta clean this up a little bit and then put the new carpet and the new seats in. Oh yeah, I still gotta show you those seats, huh? Yeah, wait for it. Nice weather we're having. Let me turn on this music. Alright. Go with my seat rails. Myers knife. That's crazy. my foot. Bought myself a little Christmas present, last birthday present. Those are the seat covers. Stop going sideways. Such a dope. And sliders on it, hell yeah. Alright, cool. Let's get these in. Hell yeah. Trying to do this with one hand over the camera is quite difficult. So let me finish unwrapping and then I'll show you the whole seat. My brand new Carbo seats, bucket seats. Pretty happy with it. Not too crazy expensive, but I think this will fit the interior aesthetic pretty well on these seats. I haven't sat in them without the bubble wrap on. Oh, they look pretty comfortable. This cushion is pretty thick, but it's better than that piece of shit replica I had up there. So I think this will make the car look a lot better. Most of the carpet in right now. So hell yeah. All right, got the seats in. Hell yeah. I like this a lot. The black on black, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Starting to look a little bit more modern inside, besides all these wires hanging out. No longer a back seat, so I need to do something about that. But for right now, the front end looks better. Go ahead and call it. Got a lot done today. Got the seats installed, the carpet installed. Just need to trim up the interior carpet a little bit. Got the bump steer kit and the steering, whatever the hell you call that shit. All the steering bolted up and torqued down. So a lot of shit done today. I'm happy. Wish I can get this thing started today, but the rain's picked up. A little cold out here. I think I'm like borderline hypothermic right now. So until next time, thank you again. Appreciate y'all. Peace.